A leaking dryer can be a frustrating problem, but fortunately, it's often an issue that can be easily resolved. Some common reasons for a dryer leaking water include a clogged exhaust duct, a defective vent flap, or problems with the water supply hoses. To fix these issues, start by inspecting your exhaust duct for blockages and cleaning it as needed. Using a vacuum cleaner with a hose or a long brush to remove debris and lint. Ensure the vent system has been installed correctly, avoiding any winding or excessive length, and consider having it professionally cleaned at least once a year. Additionally, check the outside vent of your dryer to ensure it opens properly and isn't blocked. Replacing the vent flap if necessary. Regularly inspect the water supply hoses for signs of damage, ensuring they're securely connected to both the water supply and the dryer, and replace them if damaged. Be sure to turn off the water supply valves before inspecting or replacing the hoses. And also check that the hoses aren't bent or kinked. By following these simple steps, you can easily identify and fix the problem with your dryer, saving you time and hassle in the process.